What's going on, believers? Guys, do you know what MCC stands for? It stands for multi-chain capital. And do you know what that means? It means you might just get rich. This is not financial advice, but I'm always right.
I can't wait till Friday. Everybody's getting sideways.
Okay, guys, I'm always looking for gems, and I'm always looking for something that I think might have a moment of parabolic run that might go crazy. And I'm going to start sharing them with you beforehand. Multi-chain capital. This is a token that if you've looked here from December, when it launched, which was on December 13, it launched at around, let's call it 6 zeros, 842. It is now trading at 4 zeros, 480. That's about 150. That's about 15x. So you're looking at about a 15x on this play right now, which was a 30x on this play just a little while ago. And the question now becomes, like, what is it? What's going on? How many investors do you have? Well, you have 9,800 hodlers, and you have a total market cap of $133 million. And that is in the course of less than, it looks like, 1 month so far. We're almost reaching that 1 month day, and that is a pretty good number. But let's go take a quick look. What exactly is multi-chain capital? All right, when I look at the website, this is an incredibly nondescript site, and it says you buy MCC on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. We farm on multiple chains and return the profits to hodlers. Now, when I go and I look at the app, here's what I see. I've got a dashboard. I've got an opportunity to connect my wallet. Here's my buybacks portfolio. This is the bridge. These are the docs. This is everything that I need to know about what it is that's happening right now. In assets under management, here we have, it looks like basically a nice staking system or a capital management company, as it may be. So they've got 8.1 million in Phantom, 938,000 in Ethereum, 542,000 in Avalanche, 207 in Polygon, and 138 in the Binance Smart Chain. Total number of hodlers, the number that I gave you before, by the way, that was just Ethereum. Total number of hodlers is 21,183. And you look here, you've got the liquidity, you've got the price, you've got the all-time high price, which is about 3x from where it is right now. So let's go take a look and let's see what it is that has everybody excited about multi-chain capital. So in order to learn a little bit about it, I'm on Medium right now. I'm at multichaincapital.medium.com, and it tells me each MCC token represents a share in the profits of multi-chain capital. As profits accumulate in the multi-chain capital treasury, they are bridged to change with lower gas costs and invested in yield farms and auto-compounding vaults. We will be yield farming on the following chains: Polygon, Phantom, and Avalanche. So you're taking your Ethereum, whatever it is, and you're putting it into a pool for capital management, and they are using yield farms on Polygon, Phantom, and Avalanche. Then you have the overview of current investments and how liquidity buyback works, and then they have a breakdown right here. In the world of decentralized buybacks are a prevalent mechanism to support price. However, most projects will buy back and burn, which does nothing to improve the position of the LP, the liquidity pool. In sharp contrast, multi-chain capital, based on a community vote, has improved the buyback process to increase liquidity at the same time. Also, our next step to version 3 in our project progression, our aim is to ensure that multi-chain capital users and community members receive proper compensation as we move to the next phase of the project. In the relatively short time that multi-chain capital has been in existence of around 20 days, the team has evolved and changed at a rapid pace. The entire team, from additional developers, moderators, and advisors, has and will continue to change in the dynamic environment. However, the core ethos will remain the same. To those in the community calling for us to improve the team, we hear you. We are making changes in real time. We've already made a few changes in regards to development, moderators, and advisors. Most notable is the improved development. The version 3 token contract has been done by Moontography and features a few enhancements over previous iterations, and the migration, I believe that migration has already occurred. So that's where we are right now. Version 3 was launched on December 13. the multi-chain capital on December 16, Atomic Bridge is live. The ETH to BSC bridge is open, and our updated farming strategy. 7,500 hodlers. This is just a little bit of a breakdown of what it is. So you have basically a company who is willing to take your crypto and create a farm with it. All you have to do is invest in MCC, just like you would invest in Cake, just like you would invest in any other one of these tokens, and it will give you profit based on the dividends that are yielded from these farming processes. And they are using the farming processes from Phantom. You know what? I forget it already. Phantom, Polygon, and Avalanche. So you got the three fastest blockchains with the highest yields right now. And it's an opportunity for you to make additional money. Now, not only that, but as an investor in MCC, you go back here and you are rewarded with the benefits of holding the token. Now, this token becomes very important to you because now you are in that situation that you've always wanted to be in where, and a lot of people talk about this all the time, you want to be in a position, you want to be in a situation in which you are able to buy and hodl a token that gains value while at the same time staking that token to receive more of that token and increase its value as well. So if I'm looking at this, I'm looking at this as a really great play, a really great idea. I'm looking at a total market cap of 133 million. That does mean that there's been a little bit of money made off of it, but if you don't think that this is a $1 billion market cap waiting to happen, then you're probably kidding yourself. Moving on. All right, guys, multi-chain capital is basically the epitome of set it and forget it. This is one of those tokens where you can just buy the token and all you have to do is hodl and then let them do the work. There's a dashboard for what it is that you want to do. You can go in there. You can look around. There's links. There's buyback ledgers. There's your portfolio. There's the bridge so that you know exactly how much you're swapping from one place to another. And then they're going to work, and you as a hodler are going to benefit from what it is that they are doing. And they are adding their tokens or whatever token is available into liquidity pools in order to yield farm. And that mass yield farming is going to yield a result, and it's going to be returned back to you. Some of these pools, and you'll have to go through and do your own research to look at this, but some of these pools could be very large paybacks. There are some yield farms that are out there right now paying 20 and 30 and 40% interest. There are crazy amounts of yield that are happening in short term just because of the parabolic nature of some of these tokens. So this is a great opportunity for you as an investor to sit back, let your portfolio work for you, and let multi-chain capital do what they do best, and that is make you money. Folks, this was not financial advice, but I'm always right. Don't forget that. All right, guys, let's have a good day. Let's prosper.
I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining.